13455 programs. The first is the down jacket program. What's the difference here? High number of times. Take off your usual clothes, but you have to take off your down clothes twice or even 3 times, because the down jacket sucks a lot of oil. Number of times passed. Then you can remove the lint from it. Have you taken it off 3 times in a row? The first 2 times are the first to take off 3 times. The last time was high. There is also a down jacket here. There is also an indirect temperature in the down jacket program. Look at the first order temperature and the second order temperature. Because if you have leather on down service, with that PU or something, if the temperature is too high, it will easily shrink. So the first order temperature is 60 degrees. When baking until half dry at 60 degrees, even after it's almost dry, it will increase the temperature. This way the clothes will not be deformed. It automatically has a medium temperature zone and a high temperature zone. The first 20 minutes are medium temperature. After 20 minutes, it will turn high. This is to protect our clothes from deforming easily. Not easy to bake. Then there is a volume temperature. The down service program contains volume temperature. If it is a regular down service,
no fa ding, dirty.
Set the temperature higher. Can be set to 30 degrees. Wash with this hotter oil. What if it's cold clothes? It's the one that's easy to wear. Set the oil temperature to 10 degrees. Wash with cool oil. Wash with cold oil. There are many programs in it. Many of this function. Then put together. Then drag this 3 times. We can look dirty in this clothes. We can wash for 10 minutes. Wash for 10 minutes. Then the oil temperature will be about 12 degrees Celsius after 3 times. Not bad. Okay, then the first order is 60 degrees, press 65 degrees. Even if there is a PU, carved skin and genuine leather on it, it is not afraid of being damaged. Can't be bad either. If it's drying time, it can be dried in about 40 minutes. If it's like this, it's about 60 minutes drying time. Then click close. Multiply order 1, multiply order 2 is risky. Clothes are different again. There is no such number of times when you take off your clothes in the order of the second risk. You can do it once. It's just some rubber edges on the wool mud, right? Splicing of rubber edges or fur colors on the fur mud. Black and white building, black and red building, etc. At this time, risk clothing only needs to control the volume temperature. He doesn't need to take off the dryer because he's easy to take off the dryer. Reducing the temperature can control its laundry risk. The laundry time above depends on the type of clothing we have. Then choose 5 or 10 minutes by yourself. If the drying time is thin, it can be baked for 40 minutes. Thick baking is fine for 50 and 60 minutes. Clothes clear the clothes and it's not very dirty. Just wash them directly. Nothing is needed, no heating is needed, no cooling is needed. Then there is no need to take off a few times. Ordinary clothes are just ordinary mud and washed casually after entering. Or wash the fur. Heavy items clothing, see here is a heavy item clothing. Dirty ones such as some fur or some wool mud. Those clothes that are particularly dirty. Here you can use cinnamon to warm. Turn 15 degrees into 35 degrees. Heat the oil on the heat. The clothes washed after heating are very clean. The washing time and temperature here can be the same as regular clothes. Use these 2344 programs well. Basically, we can wash a lot of our clothes. The 4 programs use cover our ordinary clothes. Specialty clothes, complex clothes, dedicated clothes. The 5th is cleaning and filtering. You see, our machine is fully filtered. It has no distillation. Then the dust after washing this machine. Where did the pigment go? All enter the filter system. Dust enters centrifugal, dust fuzz enters centrifugal. Then the pigment enters the filter heart. Filter the amount of heart like our usage. If the dosage is not large, change once a year. If you exercise a lot, it's enough to change it twice a year. You can wash 10,000 clothes twice. A laundry is usually enough. Right, because we have a lot of clothes after this training center. Change it once or twice a year at most. Then there is a filter. The time here is factory set. Just don't move. Then when we use it, scattered dust fluff inside filter will be cleaned up here by machine. Subtitles provided by the amara.org community.